Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to install these Tusk Pannier Racks on your 2023 and newer Suzuki V-Strom 800. Now if you're going on an adventure ride, you need a way to carry additional luggage with you. This is a great way to help you get that done. They come with universal mounts to work with just about any pannier box. We have soft and hard versions available on our website, so check those out. We normally run the Tusk stuff. Now you're getting additional benefits by adding these panniers. It's going to help strengthen up the back end and give you some protection. These are easy to install. Let's go ahead and get started. To get this done, we have some common hand tools, including a 5mm Allen, 10 and 13mm combo wrenches, a 10mm socket, safety glasses, and some blue Loctite. Now, as far as the kit goes, it's going to come in 3 pieces, and I have all of the hardware laid out in order. That's going to help me stay organized throughout the process. Now, if you need one of these kits, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. To start out, we're going to remove the seat. And then on the top rack, we're going to remove the left side 10mm head bolts, and we're going to loosen up the 2 on the right. Next, we can set the left pannier rack in place. So these mounts are going to sit underneath the top rack, and we're going to loosely reinstall those 2 bolts we just removed and just go through the top rack and the pannier rack. And then just make sure the lower mount is on the back side of the foot peg when you do this. Now at the foot peg mounts, we're going to install the M8 by 25mm button head bolts. We've got the nylock nuts on the back side. Then we'll do those same steps on the other side of the bike. Now to install the rear brace, these tabs are going to be facing down. We're going to set this in place and line it up with the pannier racks. We're going to take the M6 by 20mm hex head bolts and install the nylock nuts on the back side. Now that we have everything loosely installed, we can go back through and tighten everything down. We're going to start at the foot peg mount, and we're going to work up to the top rack mounts. And finally, we've got that rear brace. We're going to tighten all 4 bolts on. Then we can reinstall our seat. So that's it for installing the Tusk Pannier Racks on your 2023 and newer Suzuki V-Strom 800. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. If you need to pick some of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. If you want to use one of these with a top rack, we've got a separate install video. So go check that out. Subscribe to our channel while you're there. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.